Hey, welcome to video 3 in this 10-part series of decluttering before January 2022, before New Year's. In this 10 video series, I am taking you through niche areas, some secret areas that I bet you probably overlook when you're doing your spring cleaning or your normal cleaning, and you're like, whoa, I haven't even thought to clean up or declutter that area in a long time. I'm gonna not be taking you through the standard kitchen or bedroom. No, we're gonna find these little areas in your home that have slowly been collecting energy and dust and old energy, stale energy. We're gonna clean it all up so that your home is refreshed and feeling great, releasing all that old in January 2022 and welcoming all the new for February Chinese New Year 2022. I'm Jeanette Zizikowski, your go-to Feng Shui consultant. Let's get into it. Yes, I'm sure some of you are calling me out. I am filming this third one in a batch. Don't be mad. I gotta go declutter and do all this myself, right? So I'm doing this, filming all of these for this first 3 together, and then I gotta go do this for me. That first video, we decluttered the hallways, all these narrow hallways. If you had a bunch of stuff in it, we got rid of it because clogged arteries doesn't make it easy for us to feel healthy and breathe and live our life. Same goes for blocked hallways, the clogged hallways. It makes it difficult for the wonderful, abundant, prosperous energy to flow through our home. The second video was, let me look at my note, hallway closets. Hallway closets. How many of you, I kind of already did this when I was thinking about this series, and as I was slowly unpacking, how many of you took everything that was in your hallway and you shoved it in a closet? Yes, we have those wonderful niche nook mini closets, not like our full wardrobe closets. We have these little closets. How often do we overlook? We just shove it in there and we say, save it till later. I know, I did it too. So off to declutter those. Clean those up. That was video 2. In this third video, we're getting into a often overlooked room that all of you might not have, and that's okay. I have solutions for all of it. Your secondary bathroom, your secondary guest bathroom. When is the last time you actually scrubbed that shower, cleaned out those drawers? Talk about a place to throw extra stuff. How many of you throw extra travel size stuff in those drawers? All the miscellaneous soaps, hand washes you get from hotels, contact holders, the contact case holders. How many of your extras and your spares all just get thrown in to those drawers? And when's the last time you actually dusted the toilet seat in there? Dusted the live, laugh, love sign you have in there? Or refreshened the soap that you have for your guests? Often we overlook our tertiary or our secondary bathrooms. Now, if you are in a studio apartment, or if you are in a 1-bedroom, or even just in a smaller home that only has 1 bathroom, you don't have as big a homework today, this week, in this video, but this is a chance for you to get ahead of it. If you don't have a secondary, you only have 1 bathroom, look at those junk drawers in the bathroom because you have one of those then. If you're not putting it in a second bathroom, then you for sure have a linen closet or a drawer where you're just like, here's all my extra hair ties, here's all my extra clips, extra samples and wax strips, band-aids, bobby pins, oh my gosh. All of the extra crap. There is a crap drawer for sure in your bathroom, and if it's not in your primary, it's in your secondary or tertiary bathroom for sure. This place that often gets overlooked, I'm not saying declutter the whole bathroom. I'm looking at these niche areas in this video series. I'm making it very digestible so that you have these small wins, and that junk drawer in any bathroom, if you do all your bathrooms, that's phenomenal. Specifically, clean up that junk drawer of band-aids, cotton balls, Q-tips that just get, like, they fall out of those holders and they just fall out. Oh my gosh. Get rid of those, throw them away. Try and find little holders for your bobby pins. Clean it up. You're gonna feel so freaking good about yourself as you're getting ready for Christmas dinner and New Year's, because that junk drawer, you're gonna probably find some cool stuff. You're probably gonna find a new hair clip or some bobby pins or some nail clippers, and you're gonna be like, wow, I'm gonna be able to groom myself before these holiday festivities. Okay, now I'm pushing it a little too far probably. You saw video 1, you saw video 2. Video 3 is decluttering that secondary or tertiary bathroom. If you only have one bathroom, it's the crap drawer. You're getting rid of, you're throwing away, you're decluttering, you're cleaning up the crap drawer in your bathroom. You can't avoid it. I've caught you. You're gonna do it, but you're gonna feel so good. Like this video if you like this video. Comment below if you are ready. You are ready to receive abundant energy after cleaning out your crap drawer. And subscribe to this video, like this notification bell, hit that notification bell, subscribe to this video so that you are alerted for the rest of the videos in this 10-part series, so you can follow along and you can feel so good about releasing all the built up old stale energy that you've caught over all of 2020, 2021. You release it before January New Year's, and then when Chinese New Year comes in February 2022, you have all this space for abundant, wonderful, prosperous energy. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm gonna feel so good. You're gonna feel so good. And this channel's gonna feel so good. I'll see you in the next video.